Hello. I made this script and this video to bring forward love and appreciation for deciduous leafy trees and groves, and to show that there are good reasons to favor, grow and protect vast groves of deciduous leafy trees, and that they are actually indispensable. It is essential to have the deciduous leafy tree groves for beneficial habitat, medicine and woodworking material. These are proper reasons for the traditions to have considered the groves sacred. Food was ritually sacrificed, gifted, at specific trees at sacred groves in Finnish tradition, and many others. Sacred groves are areas set apart for visiting when thanking nature spirits and for remembering dead relatives. The habitat found in groves for birds and beneficial insects naturally supports the pest control of nearby crops. There is a long history of the use of bark, leaves and flowers of different genus of deciduous trees as folk medicine. Also traditional uses of the wood for carving and eatery. A timeless terminology for giving back to nature can be found in composting, so returning nutrients back to the soil, the microbiology and ecosystem. It is a mimicry of nature in a way, giving the excess back for mutual benefit, as when the trees return leaves to protect and enrich the soil. Birds give a shit. So should we. As the ancestors have shown, together with leafy trees, we can be victorious. Today, we might call this permaculture, bringing vitality to the ecosystem with a diversity of local leafy trees as supporters of conditions for human cultures, as well as for other smaller plants indirectly or directly useful to humans. It's a win-win-win situation. These following leafy trees have heights of up to 40 meters and lifespans of up to hundreds and thousands of years. Birch acts as a mineral accumulator. Both birch and alder are pioneer species that enrich the soil with nitrogen. Alder can grow with its roots submerged in water. Willow is used for biofiltration of water and is a fast-growing wood fuel and hedge. Cut away and it will grow more. Both willow and rowan are allies for pollinators, and thus for humans as well, with much of our crops dependent on pollinators. Rowan berries are high in antioxidants, but should be heated before ingesting. Oak is the traditional sacred tree of the Celts. Both oak and linden have the longest lifespans of these 6 trees. They too provide habitat for beneficial birds, animals, and insects. Linden is a cut and come again coppice wood, as is willow. Different parts of the trees are used as traditional remedies, and herbalists do good in bridging the old language with scientific findings. I hope that this awakens curiosity in you to find out more about groves and deciduous trees in your local area. And you're welcome to stay for the outro art, which is a slideshow featuring various grove-related art and beautiful woodworking pics together with some rattle sounds. Links are in the description. Blessings and thank you.